Something else that plays a big part in the politics of that region is oil.
Yeah.
And the Wall Street Journal has oil on its front page and saying that, of course, we've seen this big drop in the price of oil, which we talked about a lot here on World Business Report. Actually, it's gone up lately, the price of oil. But this talks about the fact that companies like Shell, BP and others who've suffered because of the fall in price of oil have actually managed to make gains by trading oil, something you do as well.
Absolutely.
I would imagine you've made some money too during this time, Alpesh.
Sally, I will confess, we have called oil right on my own site, investingbetter.com. We've called it right.
Here we go. I fed you the line.
We've called it right. And the reason we've called it right, and the reason why the big oil companies are making so much profit, is because it's actually been a relatively smooth decline and a relatively smooth rise. It's not been volatile other than that it's fallen sharply, which is great for traders. It's great for companies like Shell to be able to foresee that. So whilst it's dropped 40% since its 2014 peak, which is great for us consumers, it's great for the petrol tank, be warned, it is rising up sharply, and it did a similar thing in 2009, where it had this kind of V-shaped rise up. It's not translating into good news for Shell shareholders, though, Shell and BP and the like. Shell share price is the same as it was in 2001. So if you're a shareholder, you're thinking, well, wait a minute, where are all the dividends I'm supposed to have got?
But the fundamentals haven't really changed, have they? In terms of the reason why oil was sinking significantly from June of last year, it's now going up again. So where will it go next?
Well, I think it's going to continue going upward because, as you said, the fundamentals haven't fundamentally changed. In that, demand is still there, global growth is still increasing, and therefore some of the fall-offs, which were partly panic-driven because of fears of oversupply by OPEC, they haven't changed. So I think we continue being long oil, and we think that's the way to go. Actually, better long oil than oil companies.